Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adunni of ADUNNI'S, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make this DIY Ayurvedic tea to promote hair growth. The first thing we'll be using is rosemary. Rosemary stimulates hair growth by improving blood circulation to the scalp. It strengthens hair follicles, it prevents hair loss, it reduces dandruff, and it nourishes your hair generally. The next thing we'll be using for this recipe is cloves. Guys, I've always known clove to be like a very good herb for hair growth because my sister normally uses it like way back, and today we'll be using it. And cloves contain vitamin E, it contains zinc, and it contains antioxidants. It also promotes hair growth, it strengthens your hair follicle, it reduces hair breakage, and it enhances your overall hair appearance. It kind of gives shine to the hair. And imagine using two ingredients that strengthens your hair follicles, right? Do you get? If you're new on my channel, I am Adunni and I am a lifestyle content creator based in Abuja, Nigeria. I share hair tutorials to help you save and look good. Okay, so I went ahead to measure out, as you guys can see in the video, and I am transferring it into this jam bottle that we are now going to call mason jar because it's quite like, I love the fact that I'm able to reuse it. Okay, so there's one more product, and that would be peppermint oil. One more ingredient, and that would be peppermint oil. Peppermint oil, if you're not new on my channel, you know I like anything mint, and peppermint oil actually boosts blood flow to the scalp. It stimulates hair growth, and it has like a cooling, it gives like your scalp a cooling sensation, and I just like it. I use 25 drops of peppermint oil in this recipe or in this tutorial, and that is because I really want like the hair tea to have mint. Like I want to be able to feel the peppermint in this particular recipe. So the next step is for me to add hot water. If you're new on my channel and you're not subscribed and you find this video or any other video on my channel helpful, please do click the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm boost my video and show it to people that needs to see it just like you. So now I covered it in this jar, and I am going to leave it in another bowl. So I make sure to fill this jar with hot water so that it can help like the herbs, like everything that we've added to the jar can infuse into the water that I've added to it, like when you're making your tea. Do you get? Yes. So there, like, you could go ahead to boil it, but for me, I didn't want to boil it. I prefer this method. It's faster. I just prefer this method, honestly. If you want to go ahead to boil it, it's okay. So the next thing that I did was to transfer this into like a bowl, and I also went ahead to add hot water to the bowl. So I added hot water, and I just let this sit and do its thing for good 48 hours. After 24 hours, it was already like it had infused, but I was busy like the next day, so I couldn't go ahead to continue filming. So I just left it for 48 hours, and bro, I didn't regret it at all. So this is what it is looking like after 48 hours. It's like the water has absorbed everything absorbable from the rosemary and the cloves, and upon opening it, the first thing I perceived was the peppermint, and I was just like, yes, this is what I wanted, and this is what's like, this is me, this is something I like this is me. I can say yes, I made this because like peppermint, mint, menthol is like my signature. So I'm using this drainer from my tea jug to drain it because it's LG, so it's no problem, and even if it's not, you can always wash it. If you have like all these training clothes, you can use it, but best believe, trust me, everything was infused into the water. Every single thing that needs to be extracted from that rosemary and cloves is in the water, because I could tell, because the rosemary changed. It wasn't as bright as when as 2 days back, so I could tell that everything had drained into the water. And if you still want to go ahead to use like a straining cloth to strain it out, it's okay. Nobody's going to judge you. I'm not going to judge you. If you are still watching this video up until this point, please do not forget to subscribe. Please do not skip ads. That's my way of making money from sharing tutorials with you guys. Okay, so I'm basically just like using a spoon to pack out, as you guys can see, and to just see if anything is still going to drain out, and very little to nothing actually drained out. So after this process, I went ahead to use like a funnel like cup to transfer into my spray bottle. Yes, that's what it's called. I went ahead to use a funnel like cup to transfer into my spray bottle, and guys, it smells so good. It smells so nice. And one of the questions my sister asked me was, hope it won't be smelly on my hair. Guys, it's not smelly. It has a very pleasant smell. It smells so good. And I also think that the peppermint oil that I added helped it, like it enhanced the smell. So we good. Also, I decided to use this particular spray bottle because I've used it for like a clove tea before for my hair. So like this bottle is this is my Ayurvedic bottle, because it's already stained and I don't want to stain my other spray bottle. So cloves actually stain like bottles and things like that, to the best of my knowledge. So you want to make sure that you use a bottle that you don't mind getting stained. Okay, I will clear. So guys, that is the end of this video. And look, I was trying to spray it on my hair, and you can see that it has like this oil filling, if you can tell, right? So this is what it is looking like. I do hope you enjoyed this video. I will also have another video to really show you guys how I use it on my hair, and I store it in the fridge. And that is it, guys. I'll see you in my very next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.